The cooking mode has 4 different settings: the temperature, the power, the timer, and the core temperature. The temperature and the power settings cannot be used simultaneously. The same principle applies to the timer and the core temperature settings. Using the cooking mode means that you are always using water or liquids. Let's make some examples on how to use the different settings. Heating up a preparation using the temperature and timer settings. If you want to heat up something, you can use the temperature and timer settings to choose the desired final temperature and the time the preparation has to stay at that temperature. Use the temperature and timer settings if it is not required for the preparation to cook, boil. For example, a soup at 60 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Cooking, boiling a preparation using the power and timer settings. If you need to boil, cook at the boiling temperature, choose the power setting, boiling intensity setting, and not the temperature, as you will need to bring the water to a boil. The appliance will heat up the liquid as fast as possible to the boiling temperature and then regulate the boiling force. For example, cooking spaghetti, you can choose power 50% and deactivate the timer, setting it to endless mode in order to verify the cooking status for yourself. For tortellini or other delicate preparations, you can choose a lower power level, 10% for example, to get the water simmering. Heating up or cooking a preparation using the temperature and core probe settings. If you need to heat up or cook a preparation at a very precise temperature, there is the possibility to use the bath temperature setting and the core probe setting. To do that, set the bath temperature and the core temperature at the desired final temperature. Push Start to activate the cooking process. On the display, you will see the cooking temperature rise. For example, cook at low temperature a beef with the bath temperature at 75 degrees and 60-degree core temperature. Cooking, boiling, a preparation using the temperature and core probe settings. If you need to cook in boiling bath a preparation at a very precise temperature, there is the possibility to use the power setting and the core probe setting. For example, boil potatoes at 35% of the boiling force until the potatoes reach 94 degrees Celsius at the core. Start the process, and the display will show you the current temperature as it rises. Lower menu bar in the cooking mode. The bottom bar of the display includes different options. I for information about the pictograms. Second pictogram, soft cooking, for delicate preparations. In the soft cooking mode, you can work either with the pan's bottom temperature and setting a timer, or with the pan's bottom temperature and setting the final core probe temperature. The pan's bottom temperature setting is limited to 110 degrees Celsius to prevent food from sticking to the pan. The soft cooking mode preheats in a very delicate way and allows you to cook more delicate or dense dishes, such as creams or other foods containing dairy products. The third pictogram in the lower bar is for low temperature cooking. This mode allows you to cook sous vide or at low temperatures. The last option from the bottom menu bar is the delayed cooking mode, which allows you to start cooking at a later point. If activated, a countdown starts and the appliance will only start the cooking process at the end of it. Push Skip if you wish to start cooking immediately.